Now, let's look at the feature that makes TaskFlow so powerful: Smart Task Tracking.
Inside each project, you can quickly create tasks and organize them by priority.
For example, in a website launch project, you might add tasks like design, content writing, and testing, then decide what needs attention first.
Add deadlines to stay on schedule and watch your progress update in real time as work gets completed. TaskFlow gives you a clear visual overview of everything happening, so you always know what's done, what's next, and what needs attention. No more guessing, no more missed deadlines. Just a simple, structured workflow that keeps your projects moving forward and keeps you in control. In the final video, you'll see how this clarity helps you reach your goals faster and work with less stress.
See you then!